Okay, hey guys, welcome to video 2. This next example gets a little funky, it gets a little confusing, so I want you to stick with me here. It's 2 and 31 hundredths divided by 3 tenths. So the first thing I'm going to do, just like last time, I'm going to change it into a fraction. So 2 and 31 hundredths divided by, or over 3 tenths, okay? So what I need to do is move that decimal to make it easier for me to divide, okay? Before we were moving the decimal so we didn't have any decimals. In this case, it's gonna be easier to keep it, and I'll show you why. So if I move the decimal over 2 places and had 231 divided by, and then move this over 30, well, 30 doesn't go into 31, right? So that would be really messy. We'd have a remainder, we'd have a fraction, it'd get super loco crazy. So we do not want that, goodbye. So, but what I can do is I see that my problem is this extra 1. So all I can do is just keep it as a decimal, okay? So I'm gonna move it over 1 place, which would be multiplying it by 10. So I'm moving it over 1 place. And then I'm going to rewrite this so it'll be 23 and 1/10 over 3. So 23, because I know that 3 goes into 23, right? So my next step would be to just divide. So I have 230 or 23, oh my goodness, 23 and 1/10, and then I'm going to divide it by 3, okay? But I hope someone remembers this, and we did it when we have done this before, okay, in previous lessons, is divide a whole number by a number with a decimal. When there's a decimal in the house, you raise the roof. Decimal in the house, raise the roof. So there's a decimal in the house, and I'm gonna raise him to the roof, and then we're gonna divide as normal. So 3 goes into 23 7 times, because 7 times 3 is 21. That's as close as we're gonna get. And then I'm going to subtract this and get a 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. I have to bring down this 1. I don't bring down. The decimal's not going to the basement, but he's going to the roof, okay? So I'm going to bring down this 1. How many times does 3 go into 21? 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21, okay? Oh, sorry. Whoa, Miss Sullivan, this is not our answer, because 3 times 7 is 21, and 0 is our remainder, which means our answer is 7 and 7/10, okay? So I hope you guys can kind of see how it can be easier sometimes to keep the decimal if you know that this number will divide a little bit better, okay? If you need more help, or if you need me to explain it, or Miss Pletty to explain it in a different way, message us, okay? That's what we're here for. We're here all day online to message you, okay? All right, so the next one